Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Suzie and I am back at it with another video. So y'all, I've been posting every Wednesday. So if y'all not subscribed, make sure y'all subscribe and turn on that post notification bell so y'all don't miss. If you're new to my channel, we do a bunch of side DIYs. I make clothes over here. I do custom orders as well. So if you're interested, make sure y'all DM me on any of my social media platforms. And speaking of social media platforms, y'all, your girl's been going viral like almost every week. I just got 100K views on my reel, and I just started posting reels on Facebook, y'all. And I'm at 101K the last time I checked, and it's just to keep going and growing, y'all. And I also went viral on TikTok. I went viral on Facebook, y'all. It's just like it's lit. So make sure y'all follow me. But if y'all want to see how I got this fat and Suzie, then stay tuned and continue watching.
Black girl, look at that black girl. Queen.
Okay, so let's get right into it. So I went fabric shopping for some clients, and y'all, I seen this fabric. It caught my eye, so I went and looked at it, and I loved what the words said on there, like God, heaven, superstar, blessed, like definitely yes. And I just felt like it was speaking to me, so I definitely grabbed it. So I wanted to do this little two-piece, and it was the perfect fabric for it. So I'm gonna put the inspiration right here so y'all can check it out. But I am using these templates right here that I made a minute ago, and if you want to see how I made those, I will list them down below in the description box so you can check it out. So now y'all, I had this little knife or whatever you want to call it in my drawer, and I finally decided to put it to use. And let me just say, y'all, I've been asleep on this. Like, this is so convenient. It's less stress on your hand from the scissors. Oh my god. But yes, so this is the back panel right here. Make sure you give yourself some seam allowance. I only gave myself a little bit, but it was cool. But make sure you give yourself enough. So I'm just basically going ahead and cutting this out, and this is what it should look like. So now we're going to basically do the same thing for the front panels, but this time you're going to have two. And also when you get to the top of the collar, you're going to fold it down a little more till you get to just the front part, like right here, so you can get that dip like so. And then we're just gonna literally cut down the middle. But when you cut down this part, make sure you give yourself some more space, because I didn't, but it was cool because I had to work my magic like always. But I was just so excited for this piece. I'm just cutting this out. Look how convenient this little knife is. Comment down below if y'all know the name of it. Okay, so these are the sleeves. Super simple. I am basically tracing where the line is and trying to keep it, like, as you can see, I'm lifting and putting it down, lifting, putting it down, so I can make sure that it is accurate. And look at that. Perfect little sleeve. And then I'm gonna just trace and make another one of those. And I did do the collar off of cam because I think my battery had died, but I basically did the same thing that I did to all the other pieces. And right here I am just tracing like around the three corners. You're gonna cut right here so that when you flip it inside out, you can get that little end effect on there. Oh my god, I feel like I am talking. But right here we is just going to attach the front and back panels together, pinning everything down, and then we're going to sew in those areas. And I feel like I am talking too much, so I am gonna let y'all watch this part and I'll be back. So this is what it should look like. Okay, so now with the sleeves, you're gonna put the right sides together, and we're gonna pin it and sew just this little area right here. Now right here we are just pinning the collar, and with the collar you want to make sure you fold it in half and make sure you get the center, and then do the same thing with your shirt so you can make sure the collar is centered. If you want a detailed video, let me know and I will make one next time I do it. So now I am just sewing it down. In this next part right here, y'all, I am just pinning the sleeve, basically attaching it to the shirt, and then we're gonna go ahead and sew that down as well. And y'all, this is what it's looking like. So now we're gonna go in with the shorts. So right here we just want to go ahead and sew down the crotch area. You're not gonna go all the way down, but you're gonna stop right about here. And after you have done both, you're going to go ahead and attach them together like this, and we're gonna sew down the sides and sew in the middle as well. After this, y'all, I installed the lace band. I hemmed up the bottom of the shorts. I also added a button, just one button to the top, and I didn't record it because my camera died. And the hemming part, I've done that before, but I am about to show y'all the final and finishing look.
Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it